Well, look, when SpaceX was going public, you yourself, Ryan, came on this program and said, hey, let's just hold on a minute and remember that between SpaceX and Anthropic and OpenAI, these other two that want to go public, we're talking about these companies losing $25 million. Yesterday, we spoke with Ark Invest CEO Cathie Wood, and she's allocated $80 million additionally into SpaceX just in the last few months. Here's what she said about this upcoming IPO of Tesla and SpaceX. Watch.
We think this could become the most important company in history, and I mean in global history, because we're talking about not only really exploring a new world, the universe, in terms of its launch capabilities and helping others to do so as well, but also a global communications network. Think telecom, that's been a very local business. In fact, the way to break into countries historically was to buy the telco. No longer. This is a global business, and SpaceX is the first mover with 75% of the satellites out there. And then beyond that, we have the global data centers or orbital data centers. So they will be the most economic and will allow Elon and team the opportunity to develop, we think, some of the most sophisticated frontier models in the world at the lowest cost. So huge opportunities.
So Ryan could become the most important company in global history. I mean, I know that Tesla is her #1 holding, but that is a very aggressive prediction for SpaceX. Your reaction?
Cathie did not heed my advice. Her fund would be doing a lot better today if she did. And I think the problem is, you remember, this is a very mature company. It's been around since 2002. That's 24 years of maturation at this point, and there's going to be competition. So I think a lot of the good news that Cathie's talking about, a $1.5 trillion valuation, is already priced into this stock. It's like 80 times sales. The S&P trades for 3 times sales. And also you have all that unrestricted stock that's going to continue to come to market starting on August 6th. That's going to be a lot of selling pressure on this stock. So I just think the good news is priced. It's baked in here. Maybe you get a push to the upside because of retail investors, but fundamentally this is not a great place for your money, period.